Welcome to my channel again. Today I'll be talking about Bloom. Okay, when you open your Bloom through your link, you get to Telegram. But if you just starting, when you click on the referral link of the person that is referring you, just like this video, you see a referral link. I will attach to it. When you click on it, it will bring you to Telegram. You click on start, it will bring up the bot. Then when the bot loads, you see something of this nature. Once you see something like it, then how to make endpoints, Bloom points is what I'm going to focus on, because that's what matters. And Bloom is a very good project everyone needs to pay attention to, because two former executives of Binance, are the founders of Bloom. They left Binance to form Bloom after a few months interval, and Bloom is in a very good relationship with Binance and will be launching on Binance. So they have a very great relationship with top crypto platforms in the world. That is to say that it is going to be a great project, and Bloom will be an exchange platform. It will use a special algorithm to harness the features of centralized and decentralized platforms in one. It has a feature that you can trade directly from your third party wallet, not moving your money from your third party wallet to the platform before you now trade. No, you can now trade directly from your third party wallet. No other platform is doing that except Bloom, that is promising of it. So this is to tell you they are coming for the real deal, not for jokes. If you are mining Bloom, please be serious with it. If you are not yet mining Bloom, please start now. Check, I will attach my referral link where you used to join, and I'm having a limited slot unless they will increase it later. I'm having a limited slot to invite people. Once it's filled up, every other person joining through my link will have to join the waiting list, and Bloom will be launching very soon. That being said, I'll proceed. So when you come up to this place, I have 16 games to play. Now, this 16 games to play. If you come in a day, you have games to play, and you get Bloom points as bonus. The number of games to play will add up with the ones you have already. I've already opened it today, so it has added up. I have 16 left, and this is my balance currently. What you're going to do is you have to click on play to start gathering Bloom points. But before you start that, you have to click on earn. That's farm. When you click on farm, it will start counting for you. It will start farming Bloom points for you automatically. This is the time remaining for the farming section to be through. Then I will come back here and claim the farmed. I'll come here and claim the farmed tokens, the farmed Bloom points. So now let's play a little. Let me say a few things about that. You click on play. Okay, it's coming now. You tap on this green stars. If you tap this blue one, it will pause the screen, it will freeze it, so you can get more. But if you tap this one like this one now, okay, let me look for another one of it. The more you tap, you'll be fast in tapping on this. I tap on this blue again, it freezes the screen. There's one you dodge, this one. Once you tap that one, it will blow off the whole thing you've gotten. See it again. You see it, see them. So there are three things you see there. You have the green flowers, that's the bloom point. You tap one bloom point, you tap another bloom point. You try as much as possible to accumulate them. Some people get up to 170 while playing this game, some 200. Yeah, I get up to 160 something, 150, 140, thereabouts. Sometimes it still gets up to 8 something, 60 something. And so three things you see: the flowers, that's your bloom points. The more you tap on them, the more your bloom points. The blue stuff you see there is an eyes to pause the screen so that you tap the flowers better off than when they are moving. Then the next thing is the stuff that looks like a table tennis net. You understand? Table tennis bat. Yeah, that one is the bomb. Even if you have gotten to 200 bloom points in the game and you mistakenly tap on that bomb that looks like the tennis bat, it will blow off everything and you lose that particular gaming session. You gained bloom points. So it's something you will carefully do. Now I'm having 15 bloom points. If you invite someone, you get one bloom point. If someone joins through your referral link, you get a bloom point. Then another way to earn from this platform is going to tasks. You perform all the tasks listed. My own is remaining one, which is 5,000 farming BP bloom points. I've gotten 1,728. So once it's up to 5,000, I'll get 200 bloom points as a bonus. This quest, I've done it. You check it. Quest is about Pixel verse some other projects you join through your Bloom platform. Even if you're already on those platforms, you just tap on it, call up their own bot from your Bloom bot. You get this 555 bloom points. This other one, Binance 300 bloom points. You just go to your Binance account, you go to your profile. On top you will see your Binance ID, UID number. You copy it, come to your Bloom platform, click on this particular Binance, join Binance and get verified. Paste your Binance UID. That's it. You get this 300 bloom points. In case you are having you don't have a Binance account already, you can go ahead and download it from Google Play Store and register. So after registration, you now do it. Come to this place, connect your Binance ID. So the 5,000 bloom points, you see if you go to farming now, let's look at it. If you come to farming, home, you see farming. You see the farming here. The thing is hooking up. So once after this farming section, it will come to this place and add up. Sorry, my Telegram is hanging. So it comes to this place and add up. That's the way to keep adding until it gets to 5,000 Bloom points. Then another way to earn is by getting referrals by clicking on friends. Clicking on friends, you get your referrals. That's your referral link sent to friends and family members, and when they join, you get Bloom points. You get free gameplay, and you still get percentage of what they earn. You understand? You still get percentage of what they earn. So this is all about Bloom. It's very simple. Just come and play your games, perform your tasks. Sometimes they add more tasks, so once in a while you come and check if they've added more, then invite friends. That's just Bloom platform for you. Then wait for updates on when they'll be launching and how they'll be launching. I wish you success in your quest to make money from crypto.